Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 8th of September 2024. I'll be going over my weekly review of the predictions based on the option chain analysis for Tesla. Now, due to an error in my computer, I've had to switch, and as such, all of this data is lost on the Excel sheet, but there is still the legible track record on YouTube, and I have just continued that data onto this week. So for the week ending on the 6th, we predicted that Tesla goes up. Not the case. It opened at 215.26 and closed at 210.73, which is a 4.53 point drop or a 2.1% loss for us, bringing our cumulative P&L down to minus 15.42%. And Tesla's weekly change, on the other hand, was minus 1.58%, bringing their cumulative to minus 8.3%, and our alpha slightly down to minus 7.12%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.